Hey there, it's Melissa, the fall prevention coach, and I'm here with a quick routine that you can do using all of your sturdy tools from seated wherever you are. We're gonna start off with a quick little stretch and warm up. Starting off with bringing one foot out at a time, just kicking those knees out like so. We're just getting the quads activated one at a time. Make sure that your posture is upright and your shoulders are back. And we'll turn these into some ankle pumps, getting those calf muscles activated. The calf muscles are like the muscle of the heart. They pump the blood through the entire body. Notice my little sockies here. They're so comfy and I'm feeling really sturdy in these today. And we'll switch a few more calf pumps just like that. Good. All right, and we'll begin with grip strength. So I'm grabbing my grippy and I'm just gonna start off with 5 squeezes per arm. Just like this. Make sure that it's at a setting that works for your strength and then switch sides. If you have a routine like this and you can use this once every day or once every few days, you are gonna be sharp and coordinated, let me tell you. Okay, on to the next thing. I've got my sturdy reaction ball here, and yes, you can use this seated. So I'm gonna be practicing my bounce and catch, just like this. A few bounces, and notice I'm going from hand to hand. And then we're gonna switch things up a little bit and only catch the ball overhand, like so. Good. Okay, now we're gonna throw something else into the mix, and we're gonna lift up one leg and bounce it on the other side of the leg, like so. 2 things at once. Switch it up. Great, and that's that. Okay, moving on to the strikey ball paddle set. You should have both paddles and a number of balloons with you. And we're gonna start off with both paddles being used for a quick and simple coordination challenge like this. What I want you to be doing as you're just getting used to the strikey ball set is practice going with a smaller arch in between each paddle. So we're not going all the way up and then down. We're gonna practice going with a smaller arch, like that. And that gets our quickness and our agility and definitely that coordination involved. Okay, we'll take it up a notch and bring both feet up onto the toes, okay? So your knees are higher up and we're gonna just go with the higher catch. One paddle at a time, tossing it up like so. Good, and that's it. Finishing up, we can't forget our feet. We've already rolled the ankles and pumped the calves. So let's turn these toes inwards and lift up the heels like that. 10 heel raises. You can add those hands onto your lap for a little bit of extra weight. And finishing strong and sturdy. Thanks for tuning in.